Hello friends, my name is Habib. Today we're going to learn variables and conditionals in C++. So as you can see, I've already created my C++ file. So variables in C++ can be used to store data. Now variables have to have a type before them. Like int x equals to 5 is an integer, which means that it can only hold number values. I've already talked about types in my previous video. Now I can print this integer. No, open. Oh yeah, I forgot to add return 0. Hello. Oops, I forgot to add using namespace std. Now I'm going to run it. Now you can see that it prints the value of this variable. Now in C++ you can also make conditions, like for example if statements. What is inside these brackets? What is inside these brackets are the things that what's inside these brackets is the condition, and what's inside these braces is the expression. Now if I write if x is greater than 5, this is the greater than sign if you remember your mass. So this means that if this variable is greater than 5, then do what's inside these brackets. It's going to be to print hello. Well, now what if it's less than 5? Well, since it's less than 5, don't meet the condition here, nothing will happen. So I can add an else statement. This means that if x is greater than 5, print hello, but if it is not greater than 5, then do otherwise. There's also the else if statement. Else if x is the same as 5, then print hello. Now I'm going to run it. Now you can see that now f of x is the same as 5, it will print hello. Good. Wait, let me make x be less than 5. Now there are also case statements like switch 50, switch x. I'm going to run it. See, nothing happened. I can write case 3 quote 3. This means that if x is 3, then print 3. Oh, x is 1 now, so not print. Okay. Now, what if I add another condition? Case 5 quote 5. This means that if x is 5, it's going to print 5. But now it says 3 5. That is because after each switch statement we have to put a break. Oops. After each switch statement we have to put a break, or else it's going to be running everything together. But if it's not a 3 or a 5, like a 6, well, we can use the default. Default will be to print yes. Now, means that if it's not a 3 or it's not a 5, then it's just going to print yes. Now, it's not just for numbers, we can also do like characters. Case A, case B. Now, if we change this x to a char, which only allows single characters to be used, and change this to A, then it's going to print 3. But if I change it to B, it's going to print 5. Anyways, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, ObaCode. Bye.